Alright, welcome back YouTube. Today we're going over the 6'8 Camaro SS. Just an old street car with some good drag personality. We're going to try to get it out this year and hit the track, street, slowly turning back. It used to be an old drag car. It was a pretty solid car. Of course, they cut it up here and there some crazy places. I done redid a lot of stuff. Some of you might know this car already from another previous YouTube channel. It's been sitting in the shop for almost a year. It was out of my hands. Money was there, the parts were there. I guess the time to do the labor was it. I have no idea. But either way, we got it back. We're back at home. We're in a new shop. This is gonna be one of the first builds we knock out. I'm not even mad. Like all the time, the headaches and stress, trying to get her to get done. And there was a lot of simple stuff that needed to be done, but I guess it take a year. Well, it still wasn't done at that time, but we're gonna knock it out. It motivated me though. Hold up. Nah, we ain't gonna stop at this right there. You still watching this? This is a sneak peek. We're gonna do a full change out of everything up under the hood. We're gonna rerun a lot of stuff. We're gonna redo, change a lot. That motor probably gonna come out of there too. Bigger's better. Hey, I don't care what nobody says. We can do better. We're gonna change a lot of stuff. We're gonna take this car back to a street car. We're gonna do what we gotta do to get it back to what we need. We talking about the full wiring. We gonna hook up the real wiring ones also. Been had it, sent it, didn't get it put on, but we gonna handle it though. We gonna handle it. When you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. So that's what we gonna do. Just an old big block, nothing too special. Well, all depending on what you call it, but to me, it can always be fast. Always. We're checking in. See what we got. See what we have. I don't mind popping the hood. See? Ain't nothing but some old cast iron head. Got a little knob. We're gonna see what we can do though. Until the next time. Bankroll Racing Performance.